guys, I'm gonna show you how to use a sewing machine if you have one of these sewing machine. The first thing first is it comes with a light, so the on button is behind it. It's right here, and you're gonna press, it's gonna be on, and it's gonna come on. And this up top here is where you're going to put the thread. And when you're fixing your thread, you gotta make sure you pull it, and then you allow it to come in this hole, and then you bring it here, and so I bring it here, then I bring it here, and then I bring it here, and then let me dim it up a little bit so you can see. And you take this and bring it here, and this is how you thread your sewing machine. And then you need very good eyes. I'm gonna take the scissors so I can cut it.